Ang sumit ng tensyon, ang mataas na pagtaya ng paghaharap ni Trump at Zelensky. Sa isang pribadong silid, nagtagpo sina Trump at Zelensky. Nais ni Zelensky ng mas matinding aksyon laban sa agresyon ng kalaban. Ngunit si Trump, tahimik na nagmamasid, naghahanap ng tamang pagkakataon.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Habang si Zelensky ay patuloy na humihiling ng tulong, si Trump ay nagsisimulang mawalan ng pasensya. Isang laro ng utak kung saan bawat salita ay may panganib.
Very
You will
good.
feel influenced.
We're going to feel very
I'm
good and
telling
very
you,
strong.
You will feel influenced.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right
From
about
the
it.
very beginning.
Laban para sa kaligtasan ng bansa, laban para sa kapayapaan. Ngunit si Trump nagsalita na, isang babala o isang banta.
Millions of people.
You think-
You're gambling with World War III.
What do you think
You're
about?
gambling with
What do you
World
think
War
about?
III. And
You-
what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country.
Ang isang maling desisyon, pwedeng magdulot ng digmaang pandaigdig. Ano sa tingin mo? Tama ba ang desisyon ni Trump? Magkomento at sabay-sabay nating talakayin.